Hey there Candy Crush lover, still rocking the name player 123? Nah, we are updating your Candy Crush identity today. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, launch the game on your mobile device and make sure you are on the main screen. Tap that profile icon. It's located at the top. Once you are inside profile, you will see your current name. Tap on it like you are about to drop the hottest gamer tag in the Candy history. Now enter your fresh new name. Make it fun, fierce or full of candy chaos. Just keep it clean. This isn't Candy Root Saga. Hit save or the check mark and boom, your name is updated across the game, leaderboard and friendship list. That's it, new name, new vibes, same sweet addiction. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change your name in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.